We have one last aspect of our lunch, and then we're going to break for our afternoon. We use this time to honor those businesses that, and banks and other entities that have taken a real leadership role and really distinguished themselves in the past year. And we have our annual awards at this time. I'm going to ask Director Patricia Loui, who hails from Hawaii, who's been on our board for a number of years and has been a real strong advocate for small business, and particularly for diaspora communities and Asia Pacific Islanders and women entrepreneurs, but really has been a very strong member of the bank. She just returned recently from Southeast Asia and Singapore, where we inked a deal with a mining company that's buying a lot of U.S. equipment. So let me ask Pat Loui to come to the stage and run the rest of our program. Let's give her a round of applause. Oh my God.
I may be height challenged, but thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much for the kind introduction, Chairman Hochberg. It's a tough act to follow Secretary Kerry and Chairman Hochberg, and I don't need a standing ovation. My underwear is fine. But fortunately, we have superstars of the exporting world to recognize today, and they're the real heroes and heroines of the National Export Initiative. The EXIM Bank is honoring the American entrepreneurs who are setting the standard for exporters throughout the country. Thank you. These are the people behind the numbers, those in the trenches, day in and day out, who drive the success of the National Export Initiative. They have led the U.S. achievement of record annual exports for the 4th consecutive year, $2.3 trillion in goods and services in 2013. The difficult decisions we faced in selecting this year's award recipients are a testament to the thousands of exporters, partners, brokers, and lenders who do so much to strengthen the American economy and create export-backed jobs. In the end, only 8 could be recognized. These companies excel in their mission and contribute to U.S. growth. They improve their communities by creating lasting jobs. We are proud to be associated with the hardworking men and women who make these companies what they are today, and the workers who produce the products and services for export. So on with the first presentation. Our first presentation is for the Small Business Exporter of the Year. Last year, EXIM approved a record 3,413 transactions for small business. These small businesses help to generate new jobs for the American economy. The Small Business Exporter of the Year is Love and Quiches Gourmet. Love that name. And the recipient is Susan Axelrod, founder and chairwoman. Love and Quiches Gourmet started in Susan's kitchen in 1973 and now sells quiches and desserts to customers in the Middle East, Far East, and Russia. The business outgrew first the kitchen, then the garage, then a small local storefront, and its first factory. Finally today, it calls home a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Freeport, New York. When Love and Quiches applied for financing, EXIM's Small Business Export Credit Insurance provided the reassurance needed for Wells Fargo Bank to advance funds against the company's foreign receivables and improve its cash flow. Love and Quiches now maintains a 0 loss ratio and its export volume increased from 4.9 million in 2012 to 7.2 million in 2013. Congratulations again, Susan. Our second award winner recognizes the deal of the year. The winner is Asia Broadcast Satellite, and the recipient, Sam Wong, Chief Financial Officer. Sam landed last night from Hong Kong. EXIM Bank approved 2 direct loans totaling $471 million to Asia Broadcast Satellite, ABS, of Hong Kong to support approximately 3,700 high-tech jobs in the United States. The loan supported the purchase of 3 geostationary satellites built by Space Systems Loral, SSL, and Boeing Space Systems, and 2 space launches provided by SpaceX. The deal marked a number of firsts. It was the bank's first financing of a SpaceX launch and a new model of Boeing satellites, the 702 SP. The 702 SP is the first commercial satellite to use all-electric propulsion for orbit raising. The deal is a prime example of the progress we are making in this important cutting-edge industry. In addition, the financing supported the purchase of an SSL FS 1300 band satellite named ABS-2. It successfully launched on February 6, 2014, and is now the largest geostationary satellite in Asia. From its orbital location over India at 75 degrees east, the satellite can offer telecommunications coverage of over 80% of the world's population. Congratulations again, Sam. We now honor the Small Business Lender of the Year. This year's winner is Amegy Bank of Houston, Texas, and the recipient is TJ Raguso, Executive Vice President, International Division. Since 1994, Amegy Bank is one of EXIM Bank's most successful working capital lending partners. Amegy's staff promotes EXIM's working capital guarantees and short-term insurance to qualified small businesses in their markets. In the past 3 years, Amegy has closed 66 working capital guarantees, totaling more than $282 million, of which $200 million has supported small business export sales. In fiscal year 2013, Amegy achieved a milestone in the Working Capital Guarantee Program, reaching more than $100 million in authorizations, 76% of which were small business transactions. Amegy received fast-track lender status in October 2013, a distinction awarded to lenders with demonstrated skills in asset-backed lending. Congratulations again, Amegy Bank. Up next is the Global Lender of the Year. Congratulations to HSBC USA. And here to receive the award is Irene Dorner. Irene Dorner will receive the award and is accompanied by Carla Campos, Director, HSBC USA. HSBC's global footprint allows it to originate and structure a diverse range of EXIM Bank-supported transactions, from short-term working capital programs to highly structured projects. HSBC remains a solid global partner and is active in many of EXIM Bank's special programs, such as the China Framework Lending Program, and serves in the role of the facility agent in the EXIM Bank Direct Lending Program. They are able to offer a broad array of complex financing and funding options, in addition to the bank's own balance sheet, including PEFCO and EXIM Bank bond securitization, which makes EXIM's bank's loan guarantee more attractive to foreign buyers. Congratulations again, HSBC USA. The fifth award is for Broker of the Year, which goes to Brett Tarnet Insurance Services of Newbury Park, California, and to owner Brett Tarnet. Tarnet Insurance is leading the way in connecting exporters with EXIM Bank. The company currently serves as the broker of record on 165 active EXIM Bank policies, having added more than 20 policies in fiscal year 2013. No policy payment limit is too small for Tarnet Insurance. If the exporter has real export business but is just getting started, Tarnet will advocate for the application's approval. Brett will coach the exporter through the first year, ensuring that they manage the policy according to its condition in order to preserve their cover. That's full service coverage. Congratulations again. Next, the Sub-Saharan Africa Exporter of the Year. On a per export dollar basis, we do more business in Sub-Saharan Africa than any other region. The winner for the Sub-Saharan Exporter of the Year Award is the Connell Company of Berkeley Heights, New Jersey. The recipient is Mike Turley, the Director of Finance. Congratulations. The Connell Company is one of the largest diversified privately held companies in the United States, with a multi-generational track record of successful business operations. EXIM Bank has partnered with Connell for nearly 40 years, half our lifetime, to support their international sales, primarily in Sub-Saharan Africa. Their operations include supplying equipment and services to the mining industry, leasing of equipment, rolling stock, locomotives, barges, mining, and other machinery, leasing of forklifts and trucks and other material handling equipment, and acquisition, development, and ownership of real estate. Connell Mining is an active user of EXIM Bank's multi-buyer and single-buyer insurance products for Sub-Saharan Africa. EXIM Bank insures African receivables for the company under these policies across a number of companies and countries in Sub-Saharan Africa. The Connell Company reaches customers in more than 20 countries in Sub-Saharan Africa. Congratulations again, the Connell Company and Mike. Businesses need energy to produce the goods and services. And the next award is the Renewable Energy Exporter of the Year Award, which goes to Gamesa and Borja Negro Rua, CEO, Gamesa North America. Costa Rica has set an ambitious national goal of generating 100% of its electricity from renewable energy sources by 2021. And Gamesa is working with EXIM Bank to make that goal a reality. Wind energy is economically sensible for Costa Rica and Central American nations, given their specific electricity generation needs. Gamesa's wind turbine generators will power the 50-megawatt Orosi wind farm project in the province of Guanacaste. Backed by EXIM Bank, the Orosi wind project will support approximately 200 U.S. jobs. It also recently received the 2013 Latin American Wind Deal of the Year from Project Finance magazine. Congratulations again to Gamesa. Last, but certainly not least, is a joint award that honors the City-State Partner of the Year. Joint winners are Business Oregon and the city of Beaverton, Oregon, home to the iconic American brand Nike. Alexa Hamilton, trade specialist, will receive the award on behalf of Business Oregon, and Steve Thompson, city state representative, on behalf of Beaverton. Congratulations. Business Oregon is the state of Oregon's economic development agency. Alexa Hamilton and the Business Oregon Global Strategies team helps Oregon businesses access markets around the world to enhance the state's position in the global economy. Working in cooperation with state, local, and federal partners like EXIM Bank, Business Oregon empowers small and medium-sized Oregon companies to become the first-time exporters and supports existing exporters in accessing even more markets. The state of Oregon has had a relationship with EXIM Bank for over 20 years and has been an especially active partner for the past 6 years. The City of Beaverton's Economic Development Division has been a city-state partner since 2011. Its mission is to work collaboratively to support local business, attract new jobs, create entrepreneurial opportunities, and add value to Beaverton's economy. Steve Thompson promotes exports in his community by connecting current and prospective exporters with their local EXIM Bank representative and other partners who can provide practical advice for all their export needs. This is the best in class of exporting today. Congratulations again to all of our award recipients. Thank you again. Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations.